Bitcoin holders, stop scrolling. There is a chart right now that nobody is talking about, and it could decide everything in 2026. For the last few months, analysts have been quietly pointing to one extremely important signal: the Bitcoin long-term holder cost basis. This isn't just another random technical indicator. It's a fundamental metric that tracks the average price at which long-term investors bought their Bitcoin. Think of it as the psychological foundation of the market. And right now, this line is telling us a story that you absolutely need to hear. This cost basis line has been rising steadily, which is a good sign. It means that even the diamond-handed holders are accumulating at higher and higher prices, showing their confidence in Bitcoin's future. But here's where it gets interesting. Historically, every single time Bitcoin's market price has approached this long-term holder cost basis, a major market-defining move has happened. It acts like a powerful magnet or a springboard. Either the price bounces off it with incredible force, triggering a massive breakout to new all-time highs, or it breaks through it, leading to a brutal, gut-wrenching correction that shakes out the weak hands. There's rarely an in-between. It's a point of maximum decision for the market. So why should you care more in 2026 than ever before? Because the entire landscape has changed. This isn't the same market we saw in 2017 or 2021. First, institutional activity is increasing at an unprecedented rate. We're talking about huge funds, corporations, and even nations getting involved. They don't trade like retail. They move with precision and massive capital, and they're watching these fundamental metrics very closely. Their involvement adds a whole new layer of complexity and potential force to the next move. Second, and this is a huge one, AI-driven trading bots are now dominating the order books. These algorithms can execute thousands of trades in a fraction of a second. They react to technical levels like the long-term holder cost basis with lightning speed. This means that when the move finally happens, it won't be a slow grind. It could be explosive and incredibly fast, happening before most people even have a chance to react. The days of slowly watching the trend unfold might be over. And third, look at the volatility. Over the past several months, Bitcoin's price action has been tightening. It's like coiling a spring. The price swings are getting smaller and smaller, compressing into a tighter and tighter range right above this critical long-term holder line. In technical analysis, this kind of compression almost always precedes a massive expansion. The longer the price coils, the more powerful the eventual breakout or breakdown. All these factors combine: institutional players, high-speed AI bots, and tightening volatility are creating a perfect storm. What are the big players doing? On-chain data shows that whales, the largest holders of Bitcoin, are quietly accumulating. They are buying up the supply while the price is relatively stable, taking advantage of the market's indecision. At the same time, exchange liquidity is thinning out. This means there are fewer coins available to be bought and sold. So when a large order does come in, it will have a much bigger impact on the price. Meanwhile, where's the average person? Retail still hasn't woken up. The mainstream news isn't covering Bitcoin every day, and your friends probably aren't talking about it at dinner parties yet. This is the classic setup. Bull runs are made quietly in the shadows when no one is paying attention. They end loudly, with fireworks, media frenzy, and FOMO from the general public. We are in that quiet phase right now. If you hold Bitcoin or are even thinking about it, now is the time to pay attention. Don't wait for the headlines. Don't wait for your neighbor to tell you they just bought in. The real opportunity and the real risk is decided in moments like these. So keep your eyes glued to this one chart, the Bitcoin long-term holder cost basis. Watch how the price interacts with it. Its movement in the coming weeks and months might just be the most important warning or the biggest opportunity of the entire year. The market is sending a signal, and it's up to you to listen. If you want more updates like this to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you like this video. Comment BTC down below to let me know you're watching, and subscribe for our daily crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.